So I have question number 11. So this question states that what are examples of perfect square trinomial? Okay, so I'll just look at the solution given by Junior Tutor because this is a kind of general question. So I think that it is from junior school or is related to junior classes. The perfect square trinomials are algebraic expressions that are created by getting the square of a binomial. For example, 2x plus 5y whole square equals to 4x square plus 20xy plus 25y square. How do we recognize whether a trinomial is a perfect square or not? So here are the few steps. We must have two terms which are perfect square. The remaining term must be equal to the product of 2 times the square root of the perfect square terms. Okay, so here is that question number. So trinomial squares. So for trinomial squares, we have two conditions. First one is we should have two perfect square. These perfect square terms are like 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, and there will be a variable which will be squared. So the square term should not be like in decimals, it should be an integer number. Then second condition is that with the third term or the remaining term should be square root of perfect square into square root of another perfect square to 2. So it should be basically product of 2 into square root of product of the perfect squares. So I can, for example, let's take the identity as a plus b whole square, which is a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here we can see that we have two perfect squares because under root of a square will be a, under root of b square will be b. So the first condition is completed here, and for second condition we have product of square root of a first square into square root of b into 2, this will be 2ab. So we have the term 2ab here. So again the second condition is also met, so we can say that a plus b whole square is a trinomial square, or it is a trinomial square. Let's take one more example. Let's take 3 x plus 9y whole square. This will be 3 square will be 9, x square plus 81y square plus 2 3 is 6, 6 9 is 72 xy. So here also we can see that we have one perfect square, another perfect square, and this is the product of perfect squares and multiplied by 2. So again this is also a trinomial square. That from the expression that is a perfect trinomial or square trinomial. So again here also the solution given here is correct. Good job.